Yo, what's up YouTube? So in today's video I'm be teaching you how to change your hwid. If you do all these steps and it does not work, you're gonna have to install a new fresh version of Windows. I'm sorry, it's just that's how things are. So it's gonna be a link in the description with this pack right here. So what you're gonna want to do is just click it, and then the first thing we're gonna do is uninstall everything or the game. So you see this Revo U, you're gonna click that and activate that as administrator. So let's run that as administrator, and then we're gonna find what we want to delete. If it gives you this, just click cancel. So we're gonna find what we want to delete. So I'm not deleting anything, so I'll just delete this, right? Click that, click on install, and uncheck this. So just do it what I'm doing, but with the game, or the game and the stores. So if it was Fortnite, it'd be Epic Games. If it was Warzone, it'd be the Battle. I think it's called Battle.net. Yeah, Battle.net. But make sure this is ticked off, because this is always ticked on. So make sure that's off, and then click continue. Then click advanced. Click scan. Just gonna do that. And then it's gonna, you see all this, these are like tracers for your game. So you're gonna click select all, then click delete, click yes, select all, delete, and then that's it. So let's say that was Fortnite, right? I deleted Fortnite, and then I'll delete Epic Games. Then after you do that, you're gonna want to change your hard disk. So how we do this is we set it up as administrator, and then we're gonna change this. So I'm gonna change it to like something like, just be random, like that, and then click change. Oh, whoops, gotta follow the format. And this too, all your drives you have basically, so you're gonna have to change them. I'd also recommend before you do that, just have a text document out and put like your old serial number here. So let's say this is the old one, copy and paste it, get the other one, copy and paste it. And then yes, but I'm gonna click close, and now we are going to use the MAC address. So what this does, I'm pretty sure that, and what it does is changes your MAC address, and this is needed so we can not be banned on our network. So as you can see, all this right here, so things that have speed, you're gonna want to change them, or all of them. Whatever internet connection you use, you're gonna change it. Since I use wireless, click on that. Make sure use O2 is marked. Make sure it's ticked. Sometimes it won't be. Then you can like choose or click random. I'm just click random. Change now. That is done. As you can see, it's been changed. Change it again. As you can see, it's been changed right there. So once you do that, you're going to head to your monitor serial. You're gonna run this as admin. So let's run that as admin. And then here, what you're gonna want to do is just go to edit, and your ID serial, you're gonna want to change that just to random numbers. So let's change that to something like this. Click OK. Then we're just gonna close that. Alright, so once you do that, we are gonna do one more thing. No, two more things. We're gonna run this as administrator. And then there's gonna be all these devices, right? The ones that are green, you want to click on it, right click, and click properties. Oh no, sorry, open in regedit. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna show all this. So go where it's highlighted, or like right here, click on permissions and make sure all this is on deny. You're gonna click apply. So once it's like that, you click OK and close that. So what this does is it doesn't allow the game to read your serials, because for some reason if you're banned, like got banned twice already, they ban your serials like monitor, keyboard, microphone, mouse, your USB devices. So what this is allowing us to do is allow those applications to not read our serials. And yeah, so once you do that, you're gonna go right here and go to DMI edit. So you're gonna run that as administrator, and what we're gonna do is this changes your motherboard serials, like GPU, RAM, CPU. So we're gonna go to system information and we're gonna change our hwid. So just click auto generate. Alright, and then we're gonna click OK. And then we're gonna go here. Then we're gonna change our serial number. It could be random. And then we're going to our system enclosure. Serial number, change that as well. It could be random. And then processor information, to change the serial number. So yeah. And then we're gonna go to cache, and then that's pretty much it. But double check everything just to make sure there's nothing. So if there is nothing, you can go right here, update all, click OK. And once that's done, you can close that. And the last thing alright, so once you finish with this part, you're gonna open up a web browser. So only have Edge, and then you're gonna look up hwid Gen 4. And make sure it's this one. Make sure it says Gen 4. So as you can see, this is my Gen 4 ID. You can generate 2. We're gonna need 2, so just generate 2. As you can see, this is our UUID. So what we're gonna want to do is open up regedit. Make sure it's enabled as administrator. And then from here, there's gonna be 5 folders. We're gonna focus on this one only. So these ones don't really matter. Make sure it's the middle one. HKey local machine. So once you click on it, there's gonna be a little left arrow. Click on that. It's gonna open up this. Go to software. Scroll down till you see Microsoft. And then we are going to look for a folder called cryptography, which is right here. I'm gonna click on it. It's gonna see this code. We're gonna copy and paste one of these. So that one, copy that. Double click. Click right here. Sorry. It's gonna open up. Then you just copy and paste that in, so you can see it changed. All right, now go back up, close software. Now we're gonna open up system. We are going to go to current control set, control. Then down here, you wanna look for a folder called idconfig db. You can see it's right here. I'm gonna open that. Then we're gonna go to hardware profiles. It's gonna show these. This one does not matter, but if you have multiple profiles, then you're gonna have to want to change that. So as you can see, this is mine right here, and this is my ID. And as you can see, there's little brackets. You want to make sure you do not delete those, as that can actually mess up your computer. It's going to be the brackets with the weird squiggly line in the middle. So make sure it's not the flat ones. But I wouldn't delete it, so then go to this one, copy your other ID, and then paste that in there. A way I do it is I go a letter before the bracket just to make sure I don't delete it. Then you just paste that, click OK. And then all you want to do after is restart your computer and download the game you got banned on. And do not log into the same account. It's not going to get your account unbanned. This is only a way to get your PC to play that game again. So for those of you who thought that this was for an account, this is mainly just for the computer to not be banned. I'm not sure why people thought this would get their account unbanned. But yeah, that's about it. If this does not work, you might have to install a new Windows version, fresh, like factory reset. Because I had someone I helped